Good evening. Today we will study input controls. Input control in IT world is application control. Now what is the definition of input control? Input control. The word input means data. When we feed something in our computer system, that is input. Without input, there is no output. So input is very important term in computer language. These input controls are responsible for ensuring the accuracy and completeness of data that are input into an application system. Why do we need input? Whenever we make an application program, whenever we develop a software, we need inputs. Without inputs, we can't do these. We can't make these systems. So input controls are important since substantial time is spent on inputting data which involves human intervention. Without human intervention, how can you type in keyboard? How can you arrange the data? How can you arrange the information? So human intervention is needed to give inputs into an application system, and are and therefore prone to errors and fraud. Input can be incorrect and can be wrong. Why? Because due to human intervention, and they are prone to errors and fraud. Errors means mistakes, human mistakes. Fraud means deliberately, intentionally committed error. The type of input method used in an information system affects asset safeguarding. The type of data input method used in an information system affect asset safeguarding, data integrity, system effectiveness, and system efficiency objectives. If data is keyed into an information system, then via terminal high quality screen design is important to minimizing input errors and to achieving effective and efficient input of data. Input control is a type of application controls. So we need to control the input while designing the applications, program, software. What are the types of input control? First is source document control. Second is data coding control. Third is batch control. Fourth is validation control. First, source document control. As the name suggests, source document. So what is source document control? Source document control reduces the likelihood of data recording errors and increases the speed with which data can be recorded, and it controls the workflow. It decreases source document control. What it does, it decreases recording errors, it increases speed, and source document control facilitates the data entry into a computer system and subsequent reference checking. Now we will come to second point, data coding control. What is data coding control? It means controlling the coding of data. Means whenever we are feeding data into an application, so data coding controls reduces the errors during the feeding. Now third one is batch controls. Batch controls means whenever locations where batch processing is being used, this batch control application control is used. Batch processing, what is batch processing? It is where there is a time gap between occurrence and recording of transaction. That is, transactions are not recorded at the time of occurrence. Transactions are not recorded at the time of occurrence but are accumulated and a set is processed. Last is validation control. These validate the accuracy, correctness of input data. Validation control is the last control of input control. It is very important control. Why? Because we need to see that data is accurate and correct. They are intended to detect errors in transaction data before the data is processed.